In today's video, we're working on a 2021 Ford PUMA with sync-free and installing a reversing camera. Hi guys, Tim from Advanced In Car Tech. Hope you're all keeping well. A very quick video. Sorry it's outside and windy, but it's super busy today. But I wanted to do a quick video on this one. So started doing a few more Ford vehicles with reversing cameras and integrating them into the sync-free. As you've probably seen on previous videos, we've done the Ford Transit, the Nugget, also done a how-to video on how to code the sync-free system, which is in there, which we'll show in a second how it all works. But first and foremost, just wanted to show you the camera itself so that you could have a quick old look at it. So there it is there. Very nice, very neat, very inconspicuous with the type of the back end of the vehicle. So what we've done with this one is it's an aftermarket camera, but it's an OE style one. So it's a replacement grab handle. I'll just let it pop up. Replacement grab handle, so it's a bit shorter. Camera is integrated into it all nicely. We've got our LED lighting for the number plate light so we don't lose it. I've got the old one just here, ever so slightly different. I don't know which way around it goes, can't remember. I think it's that way. So yeah, you can see the difference between it there. Certain vehicles we can get access to OEM style cameras that are made from an aftermarket basis, but it looks pretty decent. Now what I didn't realize was the Ford PUMA shares quite a lot in terms of the platform, cameras, all that sort of stuff with the Mark 8 Fiesta. So this camera, this integration with the sync-free, all works on the Fiesta Mark 8 as well. So that's pretty cool. So people can understand that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump in, I'm going to go into reverse, show you how it all looks, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so inside the vehicle, this is quite a nicely spec'd PUMA actually. It's the new style, new shape, Bang & Olufsen speakers, which is pretty cool. You wouldn't really sort of expect that on a Ford. Sync-free, virtual cockpit, all that sort of stuff. So what we'll do, open her up, let it get cracking. Some nice displays going on there. Do like these new style clusters. It's pretty cool. Right, so what we're going to do is we're just going to start her up. Car's all started. Ford sync-free is just sorting itself out, and what we're going to do very quickly is just to show you the type of head unit that is compatible. So settings, I've got to try and remember where this is now. I think it's under general, scroll down, about, sync. So for us to be able to do this retrofit, you can do it on the 2s and the 2.5s, but we've been concentrating on the sync-free, which is the newer style of technology. So as long as when you go in here it says sync-free and then software version probably around 3.4, we can do this. So we've used there's no interface that we've put behind the scenes. We've just used a wiring loom that allows us to integrate a camera into the sync system. We then, using the 4Scan software, do the coding to activate the rear camera port, so that it all works on screen and all that. And as I said, I'll probably link to that how-to part for the coding aspect. Can't do it at the actual install of the vehicle because that would take a long time to do it. So what we're going to do, currently in park, I'm going to pop it into reverse, and there you go. So we've got a nice angle of view, we've got our guidelines, red, yellow, green, blue, and also more importantly we've got the parking display just there. So as you're reversing, you don't get too much of a field of view, but you're sort of limited a bit by where the camera goes, but it gives you an idea. So what I'll do is we'll just back up very slowly. And of course, obviously, you're going to use your parking sensors as well as the camera's field of view. Comes into view there, the wall. The sensors are going to start beeping very shortly. You'll see that on the right hand side. There you go. And there you go. So that's our front door there. You've got a few little bits in there. Well, I don't think you have actually. So I'll just come out of reverse into park and it disappears. So yeah, this is the Ford PUMA with a sync-free 2021 model, where we have integrated an aftermarket but OEM or OE style camera, so that all looks and feels as per factory. And again, we've coded it so that it's in all honesty, it's as if the camera was there from factory, but we've just done it with the aftermarket camera there. So if you've got a Ford, doesn't need to be a Puma, Fiesta, Transit or anything like that, but it has the sync free, get in touch with us and we can have a look to see if there is a camera for your vehicle, and an OE type one, and do the same for you. Has to come down to us here in Poole, just purely because we've got the software to be able to do it. So yeah, as always, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, all the usual jazz, and thanks.